Hi dear friends, we have a product named Faircoat Ultra. Faircoat Ultra is a smooth, protective, decorative and anti-carbonation coating for protection of interior and exterior surfaces with multiple benefits. The benefits of using Faircoat Ultra are discussed as under. It has excellent anti-carbonation and water repellency properties. It has good weathering properties with excellent durability. It is a single pack brush or roller applied product. Faircoat Ultra has excellent anti-biological properties which resist the formation of algae and fungus. It allows the substrate to breathe. It has excellent bonding with concrete substrates. Faircoat Ultra forms extremely durable film and does not age with time. It also possesses excellent waterproofing characteristics. Faircoat Ultra is a non-toxic, non-flammable and excellent gap bridging property product. Faircoat Ultra is a ready to use aliphatic elastomeric based coating containing special polymers, additives and fillers. Faircoat Ultra provides extremely tough, protective, decorative coating that allows the surface to breathe. It has been specially designed for the decoration and protection of concrete as well as plaster surfaces. Faircoat Ultra has excellent adhesion to substrate and cures to form a flexible film that allows the surface to breathe and acts as carbon dioxide barrier, thus protecting the concrete in aggressive weather conditions. Faircoat Ultra provides a smooth, decorative, durable coating for concrete and masonry wall surfaces like on big commercial buildings, public places, residential buildings, etc. Before application of Faircoat Ultra, priming is required. On old or porous surface, ensure that the substrate is sound and then apply one coat of Faircoat primer and allow it to dry completely. You can refer our technical data sheet for Faircoat primer which is available separately on our site. The application process for Faircoat Ultra is as under. Apply complete drying of Faircoat primer. Thin down Faircoat Ultra with clear water by 15 to 20% for applicable consistency and mix it thoroughly and spread evenly with a brush, roller or airless spray. In hot, dry weather, dampen unpainted surfaces with water to prevent Faircoat Ultra drying out too rapidly. 2 coats are recommended to achieve better results and properties. Faircoat Ultra is available in 1, 5, 10 and 20 kg buckets with the coverage of 3 to 5 meter square per kg per 2 coats. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.